Yeah, I remember this company that I was consulting. This is a global company. They manufacture a lot of industrial equipment, and they have a dealership network here in the US as well. They are very well established in Europe. But when they came to me and they were implementing SAP S/4HANA public cloud, one of the problems that they were trying to solve for is, how do we make their shop floor users get easy access to what is happening on the production confirmations? Very simple ask, and there was no easy way to do that in the way the solution was designed currently and with the capabilities that they had today. And so when we were discussing that, it was very clear that they had a lot of users who have to focus and spend their time on doing the actual work on the shop floor. They cannot be clicking 20 different screens and 20 different fields, and they wanted a very simple, easy user interface for them, so that they will know when a production order is confirmed, that what is the status of that, how many are pending, and when do they have to be fulfilled. So that entire solution was very clear to me. The problem that they were trying to solve was, if there was an easy way to do that with one click or one view, then the shop floor people would be a lot more happier, and they would be a lot more productive in that sense. And that's where some of the ideas that we're discussing today and what we might be showing might be of benefit. So basically, it's all around visibility and flexibility to the shop floor users.